Welcome to Agate Beach Park, a true hidden gem located in Michigan's western Upper Peninsula. This park's paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, families, campers, rock hounds, sky gazers, photographers, nature lovers, aurora hunters. They all come here to enjoy everything that Lake Superior's raw coastline and the western Upper Peninsula have to offer. Join me as we walk through Agate Beach Park. Bunch of campgrounds over there, camp spots, beautiful playground area. There's a boat launch, so you can launch directly into Lake Superior. Looks like there's a shelter, some restrooms. Even some nice paved handicap parking over there. And over here. Right now this is early season, beginning of May. Snow has just melted in some areas, so soon enough this place will be bustling with visitors that are looking to enjoy Lake Superior here at Agate Beach. Yeah, there's the shelter. Super cool. Beautiful area. And not many visit here. Walk back to one of the day use parking areas. They are good to check out the northern lights. Oh wow, look, there's some people out there kayaking. That's cool. Right near my son. They're playing on the beach. We got some kayakers here in early May, enjoying the weather. It is like 70 something degrees out, but here near the lake it's a little bit cooler because of the wind. So see, you can even kayak down here. Probably want to just stay near shore because that is the mighty Lake Superior. But it is a beautiful day to get out there and paddle. Lucian's down there on the beach, entertaining himself. Looking for rocks and stuff. He loves just hanging out on the beach. Pan out here and just show you guys the sunset here just about. It's a beautiful area. We're about to take some maternity pictures because we're expecting another child here this June, so we're excited about that. The wife's getting ready and we're gonna hit the beach and see if we can take some cool shots. So I figured I would just take you guys around here and just show you what Agate Beach Park looks like here in Stanton Township, Michigan, right on Lake Superior. It doesn't get much better than this, you guys. I promise you that. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.